Hi everyone and welcome back to our live. So today is the long-awaited reveal of our May Glambox. We're gonna go through all the products that you girls are gonna be getting, and I'm so excited for this one.
Yeah.
There are so many different products that I know I've always wanted to try, and there's like a good range of stuff this time. So let's get started.
Okay, so for your May box, you'll be receiving a total of 6 products inside. So we'll all be revealing the products now. I'm gonna start with the brand Etude House. So it's a Korean skincare brand.
Yeah.
It's really popular in other countries, and I think it's
right.
great that they're bringing Korean skincare here in the UAE, because you see the skin of Koreans, right?
Yeah.
They have like glass skin and flawless skin. So you will be receiving 2 of these sheet masks. All right. So one is pearl, the other one is hyaluronic acid.
Yeah.
So the pearl one, it's actually brightening. So brightening and whitening, because it says here that the mask containing luminous pearl and niacinamide, a skin whitening agent, makes dull skin look bright and radiant. So you're gonna get this one of these, and the other one is this, which is for moisturizing. So we really need this right now because of the weather. It keeps on changing. So this too will really help. And aside from Etude House, we will also be having this is what I'm
This is
excited
what I'm
about.
really excited about.
So you're gonna get
Derma
Derma
Doctor.
Doctor in your box. If you know Derma Doctor, you know the price range of their products, and it's I mean, their products are so worth it because it is, what do you call this? It's you can see the results immediately.
Yeah.
So what you'll be having on your May box are these 4 intensive vitamin C peel pads.
Yes.
So it has ferulic acid and vitamin E. So this is good for spots, for uneven skin tone, because you know every peeling does that. And it's a good exfoliation as well, because if your skin peels, it means that you're removing the top layers of the skin, which is mostly the dead skin, and that's what you basically want to remove when you exfoliate. So I'm excited to use this. What else do we have?
Okay, so it doesn't just end there. This time we're going to be featuring, I hope I'm pronouncing this right. It's called Anfasig Dukon. Okay, it's very fancy. This is what it looks like. It's a perfume, and I'm just going to take it out. So this is what the perfume looks like. It's a little cute heart-shaped bottle, and the name of the perfume is called Shea Shea. And I think I'm gonna try and spray this and see what it smells like. I have already. I would say it has a little, it's very floral. It has a little bit of like that jasmine scent as well. But it's very girly.
Yeah.
It's typical girly perfume, very floral. So this is what it looks like.
The bottle is so cute too.
It's very cute. I love this one. So all of you girls will be getting this perfume. The next one is, this one also I'm very excited to try. I've seen it all over Instagram. It's been there for a while, but I've always been a beauty blender girl, so I've never tried this. All of you girls will be getting this oval makeup brush. So this is what it looks like. Let me take it out. Okay. So it's by the brand Exclusive, and this is what it looks like. It has a nice chrome finish like this, and that's what I like. So we know these brushes have been there for a long time, and you girls will get either this brush or this one.
They're basically
The same, but it'll be either this one or this one. So now it's only the size difference. Both can be used for applying your foundation. Liquid foundation can be used for powder, contouring, concealer, any form of like makeup that you want to apply, you can use this. It's not limited to only powder or liquid. So that's the best thing. It's very soft, like the bristles are very soft.
And it's so fluffy.
So we can't wait to try this. I like the chrome finish actually, that shiny metallic finish. So all you girls will be receiving one or the other in your box. And we know a lot of you girls have given us amazing reviews about Nora serum, and this was featured in your February Glambox. And this time you girls will get a full-sized advanced anti-aging cream by Nora. So it's very luxurious. It's like the huge, like really big bottle. This is what the box looks like.
And everyone's gonna get this one, right?
Everyone is gonna get this box. We know how Nora is very luxurious. It's amazing. It works wonders. Let me just take out the bottle.
Everyone just loved the serum from the past month's boxes from Nora. So I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this one too.
I love the packaging.
I know, it's so fancy.
So I'm gonna take it off. Let me see what it smells like, guys. What it has is, I think it's perfume is blocking this. It's very soft, like very like creamy, like it goes on smoothly. It has that luxurious feel to it. The best thing about it is that they say on their box that it is filled with multivitamins. They have also collagen mixed in it, and they have something called marine collagen. I don't know what that is. And lastly, they also have hyaluronic acid, which is now in pretty much everything. But yeah, I know a lot of people who've tried the serum and says it works wonders just in a month of using that one product. So there we go. All of you girls will be getting this one as well. So yeah.
So I'm excited. For those of you who haven't subscribed yet, this is for the May box, okay?
Yes.
So for those of you who haven't subscribed yet for May, maybe your renewal has ended, or you haven't even subscribed to Glambox before. So yeah, these are the products that you will be getting for this month. And we still have the 20% offer for 3 months.
Yeah.
Plus 1 free month. So total of 4 boxes.
Yes, that's correct.
That's what you're gonna get. And yeah, you still have a lot of time to think about it, or even not to think about it, to just go online, download the app, or just go directly on your mobile browser and go to our website, glambox.me, and then just subscribe. So you have choices 1, 3, 6, or 12 months.
Yeah.
So right now, again, the promo is for 3 months, but who knows if we're gonna give out some other promotion. So just stay tuned on our Instagram. Always check our website because we'll always post the promotions on the banner. So yeah, just to keep you updated on that.
And on Thursday at 5 o'clock Dubai timing, Instagram again, we'll be having a live where we will be doing a tutorial with the products we just featured, so you girls have a better idea of how to use them. We're going to try and use the makeup brushes to do like a mini makeup tutorial, maybe do a preview of what we feel about the cream after using it, along with the peel pads. So stay tuned on Thursday at 5. And we also have another live today. So we're gonna have a blogger come to do a tutorial, and this will be around 5:36, but just stay tuned, we'll post it. So until Thursday.
See you.